A part of Thailand I will never forget is the extraordinary culinary adventure I embarked upon. Tastes I knew and loved so well tasted better with the added intensity of being there. A feast for the senses. This is my story of an amazing new chapter of Thai gastronomy. Chapter 1. The flavor of Thailand. Exotic spices and delightful ingredients combined in a uniquely Thai way. Exciting, colorful, delicate, and delightful. Presented to please the eye as much as the taste buds. Each province, each region offering its own unique flavors. Aromatic coconut curries, like khao soi in the north. Hot and spicy salads, like som tam in the northeast. Stir-fried rice noodles, like pad thai in the central plains. And hot and sour seafood in the south. Creating fascinating and exciting gastronomic experiences. Chapter 2. Same place, new tastes. My love affair with Thai food is an ever-evolving journey. New stories always emerging. Now my beloved street food, local restaurants and fine dining all attract international recognition. From classic favorites to new and experimental, Thai food offers delicious rewards, but all are only as good as the raw ingredients. Thailand has a rich abundance, now more than ever, farmed organically, caring for the community, the country, and the planet. Sustainable restaurants growing their own fruit, vegetables, herbs, and flowers. Building sustainable practices and supporting artisan producers with 100% locally sourced ingredients. Chapter 3. The finishing touch. What's the secret ingredient that gives added joy to Thai cuisine? Heartfelt hospitality. The desire to please. Thai people greet each other not by saying hello, but have you eaten yet? Love in every sprinkle, every stir, every precise presentation. Thai food is such a pleasure because of the joy Thai people take in preparing it. Different regions influenced by different lifestyles and cultures. Spices, herbs, the produce of land and sea, combined with a passion passed down through generations. As exotic, colorful, and dramatic as Thailand's character, taking what nature provides and transforming it into sensory delights. Now it's time to make your choice from Thailand's menu of experiences. It's time to take a taste of Thailand for yourself and begin to write your new chapters of Thai gastronomy. We look forward to welcoming you soon.